Welcome to your Tuesday weather forecast. On Tuesday morning, foggy conditions expected along the western coast, part of the Karoo, around the Free State and surrounding regions. Into the afternoon, an onshore flow of air will bring isolated light showers to part of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Into the evening, spreading along the eastern escarpment into Mpumalanga, with a few drops of rain still possible early on Tuesday morning in parts of the Western Cape. A poor PV harvest expected behind that weak cold front over the southern parts of the country as well as KwaZulu-Natal, but otherwise an average PV harvest expected over the central and extreme northeastern regions. A northeasterly to northerly wind picking up and blowing fresh over parts of the Cape provinces, easterly winds later blowing fresh along the southern coastline, and a southerly wind blowing fresh along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal as well as in parts of the Lowveld. In the Western Cape, foggy conditions at first expected along the western coast, later warming up with temperatures in the upper 20s. Cloudy at first over the central regions of the Western Cape, later partly cloudy skies expected, but remaining quite cool with maximum temperatures only around 20 degrees Celsius, and easterly winds blowing fresh at times along the southern coastline where temperatures will be below 20 degrees Celsius. A cloudy and cool to cold afternoon expected in the Eastern Cape with isolated light showers possible. Frosty conditions expected over the northern regions with 0 in the morning in Aliwal North. Later temperatures below 20 degrees Celsius expected along the eastern coastline. In KwaZulu-Natal, a few foggy patches at first over the interior with cool to cold conditions. Later isolated light showers possible over the coastal regions as well as the adjacent interior. A foggy and frosty morning at first over the Highveld, later sunny skies expected, but remaining quite cool, maximum temperatures below 20 degrees Celsius. Comfortable to warm conditions expected in the Lowveld with temperatures in the mid to upper 20s and windy conditions at times. Cold at first over parts of the Bushveld, later a comfortable afternoon with temperatures in the lower to mid 20s. A foggy morning at first over parts of northwest, later a sunny afternoon and temperatures in the lower 20s, 21 in Klerksdorp, 22 in Vryburg and Taung. In the Northern Cape, foggy conditions expected along the western coast as well as the southern interior. Later those northeasterly to northerly winds picking up and blowing fresh to strong, temperatures in the lower to mid 20s expected. A foggy and frosty morning at first over parts of the Free State with 1 in Bloemfontein and Bethlehem. Later a sunny afternoon but remaining cool to cold with maximum temperatures below 20 degrees Celsius. A foggy and frosty morning at first over the southern regions of Gauteng with 2 in the morning in Vereniging. Later maximum temperatures around 20 degrees Celsius with 19 in the afternoon in Johannesburg. Then on Wednesday, we have a cold front lining over the southwestern Cape, bringing showers to the city of Cape Town. Ahead of this cold front, we're expecting strong winds to blow over parts of the Cape provinces, causing bergwind conditions along the southern coastline with 28 in the afternoon in George, but remaining quite cool over the central and northeastern regions with temperatures only around 20 degrees Celsius. On Thursday, much cooler conditions expected behind that cold front over the southwestern regions with temperatures now only around 20 degrees Celsius for the southern coastline. Rainy conditions still expected around the city of Cape Town. Warmer conditions now in KwaZulu-Natal, but remaining cool over the central and northeastern regions. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Tuesday and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.